This is going to be a quick tutorial on how you can integrate Disputifier with Amazon Pay. After logging into Amazon Pay, you can hover over Settings and then click User Permissions. From there, you can simply input Hello Disputifier for the name. So, Hello Disputifier, and then for the email address, that's simply going to be hello@disputifier.com as well. From there, you can click Invite. However, for some odd reason, Amazon Pay does not allow you to grant permissions until the invitation has been accepted. What that means is in about 24 to 48 business hours after this invitation has been sent out, you will need to log back into Amazon Pay to grant us permissions. The permissions that we will need include the following: view and edit for all permissions, and that includes manage providers, manage refunds, manage transactions. Additionally, operations report, manage your cases, and messaging access. Those are all the permissions that we need, and after granting those permissions, then we will be able to answer all of your Amazon Pay disputes and claims. Thank you.